I'm Chris Schmitz. I'm the Member Service Manager here at ProSource Wholesale. ProSource is a wholesaler for the industry trade, whether that's a designer, remodeler, builder, but basically we help them help their clients to create the memory spaces that they're looking to. The main thing that makes us really different is we're based off of relationships. Anybody can sell product, anybody can provide flooring or cabinets or those types of things. What we're really invested in is our trade pros, our designers, our remodelers, but also their clients, and making sure that they have the best customer experience ever, and also being able to buy the best products at the best price. People are going to use us because they want the largest selection in the metro and make sure that they're getting the best value for that quality product. A lot of designers will come in and use the showroom. I mean, it's a 14,000 square foot showroom with 40,000 products, and so they can pick the tile and they can pick the carpet and the hardwood and bring it all together for the whole home and work with their client in one location. Other people like to just send their clients into us and they work with the account manager. Our account managers know their products so well that they can make sure that they're getting those to the trade pro to be able to show you to create that space that you're looking for.